My name is Dmitry. I'm from town Elektrostar near Moscow.
Okay, how long have you been speaking English?
About 10 or maybe more.
10 years?
10 years.
Wow. Do a lot of Russian students here study English?
Yes, a lot of students or even pupils in schools learning English because nowadays it's the first international language. So if you want to speak, if you want to socialize with foreigners or in the internet, you must know English.
Is it a requirement or do they choose to take English? Is it part of the curriculum?
Well, in most cases they choose to learn English because very often they need it, because it's the most popular language in the world. So if they want to live a full life, they must learn English.
Have you ever been to America?
No.
What would you expect if you were to travel there?
Well, I would expect that it is very interesting and different countries, so I'd like to see it because I think it's very interesting to be on the other side of the globe.